Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is day 30 out of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Honestly, it went by so fast. But today we have a fun one. Kind of doing like special effects and UV paint, blacklight paint. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. So if you want to see me experiment with special effects on myself and create a blacklight brain thing, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications because tomorrow for day 31 I have kind of a big surprise for you guys. So yeah, you're gonna want to come back and check it out. So right now though, let's just jump into it. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is put on this bald cap. So I'm just using some spirit gum and gluing down the edges. Now be really careful when you're cutting the ear part for sure. I like to cut at an angle just to not cut too much, you know. And we're putting some liquid latex to kind of blend the edge a little bit. Just want to blend that, you don't want that sticking out. Now we're using some Ben Nye Scar Wax. First we're just placing down some spirit gum and then use Vaseline on your hands so it doesn't stick to everything. And then just sticking down the scar wax and then powdering it a lot, like a lot. Now we're taking some white face paint, we're just gonna cover everything with it. So just taking a little sponge, just cover the entire face. Really get those lips covered. Then I'm taking a brush to cover the scar wax. I just feel like it's a little bit easier. The sponge kind of sticks to it a little bit. And then for the brain part, I am putting down a white base as well because the UV paints work a lot better on a white base than just on nothing. And then did I use this tiny brush to cover my entire body? Yes, I did. Now I'm just taking a gray shadow. I used the Mehron and Mimi Choi palette gray shadow, which I love. And just kind of shading everything so it's not just literally a white blank canvas. Then just creating a little bit of dimension on the lips. Then using that same gray shadow just to shade them a little bit. I felt like it looked too plain. So now we're using the UV paints. I like to use a sponge. It helps just place it down. They are kind of hard to work with. I know a lot of people tell me that they're difficult, but I just say like use the white base, then use a sponge and lay it on thick. We're just making like a little rainbow. Looks like a gobstopper right now. And now we're creating the brain. So kind of just do like random swirls and stuff for the brain. I looked at a picture of a brain, just kind of copied that. So now we're taking a black shadow and just kind of shading it so that those lines look a little deeper and more three-dimensional. And then adding some tiny white highlights just to give it that kind of like wet brain shine look. And we did some drips and now I'm just gluing down some Eldora lashes. And I popped in some white contacts just to give it that whole like white statue look. And there you guys go. This is with like some normal lighting and some UV lighting as well. And yeah, I really hope you guys like it. This one's like a little bit different. The other things were more spooky. This one's kind of fun and colorful, and yeah. So if you did like it, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. It's a big surprise tomorrow, and then after when October's done, I'm gonna be doing a big giveaway for you guys because I really appreciate everyone that's subscribed already and the ones that comment and everything. I just really appreciate you guys. So yeah, if you want to see the picture of this and all my other pictures of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN, make sure you check out my Instagram. I also have some fun TikToks like makeup removal of this look that I'm gonna be posting. So tomorrow's Halloween, so let me know in the comments what you're gonna be dressing up as, if you guys are going to do any makeup at your house or anything. And I'll see you tomorrow for the big 31st big surprise video. So bye guys.